While traveling throughout northeast India, I took a trip out to one of the least visited states, Arunachal Pradesh. This is the only state in India that foreigners need a special permit to visit. This restriction is mostly due to its placement by the Tibetan border. I decided to go to one of the larger areas called Zero Valley. This has the biggest community of the Apatani tribe. This group is most well known for its facial piercings and tattoos. The story goes that the Apatani women were considered to be so beautiful that the other tribes would regularly kidnap them. So in order to deter potential kidnappers, they started tattooing girls at an early age and giving them nose plugs. This practice died out about like 50 years ago, but if you walk around Zero, you will find older women that still have the facial tattoos and nose plugs. I went here in order to learn more about the tribe, but also to try a very interesting fruit-related beverage that the Apatanis are known for, Kiwi Wine. Kiwis grow in this region, but from what I hear, the ones that they grow are not really palatable fresh. So what do you do when you have a bunch of fruit growing that you don't want to eat? You make alcohol. The wine is somewhat popular for the region, so recently a company here opened up a bottling factory where they're now manufacturing bottled kiwi wine and distributing it across India. But me, I wanted a truly authentic experience, so I visited the home of someone from the Apatani tribe. So here are the kiwi fruits. They've just been like cut in half and just mixed with sugar. And how long does it take for it to break down?
1 month.
About 1 month?
Yeah.
Okay. And these are with skin, which they're trying as something different?
Yeah.
But this is one that's been peeled, and you see that they're breaking down a little bit faster, maybe. How long has this been fermenting?
This one is 78 months.
8 months. Wow.
This will be more stronger.
So this is the real kiwi liqueur here. I don't drink, but from what I hear, this is like very, very mild. So it's like less alcohol than a beer. I'm guessing it's kind of like a kombucha or something. I mean, alcohol has been made out of just about everything, so I guess it's not, much of a surprise, but still very, very interesting. So I'm gonna. It smells like kombucha, maybe a little fermented, like a little less than wine. Let me try a little sip. Ooh. I'm already drunk. My system is just not used to it. But it's very sweet. It's got like a little fermented taste. Not super strong like wine, I don't think. Just like slightly like heaty. And you can taste the kiwis in there. It's like, it doesn't taste like grape juice at all. It's got a very mild, sweet kiwi flavor. Actually pretty good. Not gonna take up drinking, but like still very, very interesting to try. Worth taking a step out of my comfort zone and trying a drink by having this for sure.